All right, let's unbox our Andy's Christmas order. Comes well packaged. Let's see what all we got in here. There's our order sheet. All right. As you can see, it's all well packaged. I like ordering from there because they pack really good. And what's the first thing here? Oh yeah, the cool Jeeps. Been wanting to get one of these Jeeps. It's a 16th scale. I just think that'd be super cool. I've seen the reviews on these and they are very, very nice. What else we got here? Cool tank. Of course, I do a lot of tank building. I think that's a neat looking tank. Had to have that tank. I think it's pretty cool. Got some sanding sticks. You got something for free if you order some certain stuff. What else we got in here? We got some more sanding sticks. More sanding sticks. Never have too many sanding sticks. A card. He didn't sign them anymore. That's interesting. Oh well, no big deal. What else we got? This train car. Saw this train car on sale. Had to have that. By the way, everything I got was on sale. Some smoking deals. Thought this train car was really cool. I'm kind of into different stuff. Thought that'd be a cool build. Got another Jeep. The reason I got two Jeeps is I want to do one like this and another one more of a civilian Jeep or maybe a rock crawler. Thought that'd be really cool. Maybe I can get some 16th scale 3D printed tires and wheels and do something civilian or a rock crawler. But that's why I got two of the Jeeps. And what else we got? We got this big old boy. Big old 16th scale tank, and this box is big. Oh, I thought that was pretty cool. Had to get this from DOS Work. Been wanting to try a big 16th scale tank, so I thought that'd be pretty cool. And this thing's huge. It's got the inside of it. Look at the hull on that. There's my hand. That thing's big. That's my order from Andy's.